A bug fixed at the developer's desk costs minutes. The same bug found in QA? That costs days. Unit tests are your first line of defense, but only if they test the right things. Most don't. The SpurQuality agent reads your code's real conditions, writes tests from that evidence, proves everyone by actually running it, and gives you a single report. Okay, now we are going to see the unit test gen agent. We have total 6 tools in that. First one is test gen start, which is used for scoping the test generation request. When I hit the command test gen start, it asks me what I want tests for: my uncommitted changes, a PR, a commit, a specific file, a function, or the whole repo. I select uncommitted changes, and it reads my git diff and resolves the exact target file. After that, we have a second tool, that is analyze test evidence. When I trigger that on the resolved file, it scans the source code and gives us the complete test design evidence. Based on that evidence, we write the actual test file. Here it's app.test.jsx, with cases designed around each piece of evidence. Now, after writing the test file, we are going to execute and validate it. For that, we have the test gen validate tool. When I trigger that, it runs the tests for real using Vitest and gives us the pass or fail result along with coverage. Here we can see it also flags if any evidence from step 2 is missing a test. So I go back and add those cases too. After the fix, we can see 26 out of 26 test cases passed with 90.59% coverage. After execution, we have the Lint Check tool, which does static analysis on the same files without running any code. When I hit that, it gives us the errors and warnings. Then we have the Quality Analyze tool, which checks structural quality, complexity, duplication, and function size. When I trigger that, it flags the functions that are too complex. Finally, we have the Generate Report tool. When I hit that command, it combines everything: test cases, coverage, the bug it found, lint issues, and quality findings, and generates a single HTML report. Catch it in the code and fix it before QA ever opens a ticket. Getting started takes 1 sentence. Thanks for watching. SpurQuality Unit Test. Generation Agent.